Let us begin our study with consecutive numbers. Quick trick 1. Consider any sequence which has a count of odd numbers in it. That is, a sequence of 3 numbers, 5 numbers, 7 numbers, or 9 numbers, and so on. In such sequences, the average value will be the middle number. It is very simple. Let me explain this with some examples. Consider a set of 5 consecutive numbers starting with 4. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. The average of this set is equal to 6, which is the middle number. Next, consider a set of 7 even consecutive numbers starting from 8. The numbers in the sequence are 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20, and their average value is 14, again the middle number. Similarly, consider a set of 5 consecutive odd numbers. Here, observe, this is a set of 5 odd consecutive numbers. Here the count is important. As the count is an odd number, the average value will be the middle number 127. Let us have a look at some non-consecutive sequences. Here we have one such sequence, and if you observe the sequence carefully, any number in the sequence is obtained by adding a value 5 to its previous number. For such type of sequences also, the average value will be the middle number. The only point here is we must have an odd count. Next, consider another small sequence of 3 numbers 40, 32, and 24. In this sequence, the difference between any two successive numbers is 8. Here also the average value will be the middle number 32. So, here we can draw a beautiful conclusion. In a certain sequence of numbers whose count is always odd, the average value is its middle number. A very important point here is this rule is applicable only for consecutive numbers and sequence of numbers which are separated by a constant value. Remember, this rule is not applicable for a set of random numbers. For example, consider a small sequence of 3 numbers 7, 11, and 25. This is a random sequence where the average value is not 11. Similarly, consider another random sequence 1, 3, 5, 9, and 16. Here also the average value is not 5.